To set up Namecheap is a straightforward process that can be completed in a few steps. First, go to the Namecheap website and click on the Sign Up button to create a new account. Fill out the registration form with your personal details, including your name, email address, and password. Make sure to use a strong and unique password to secure your account. Once you have created your account, you will need to verify your email address by clicking on the link sent to you by Namecheap. This is a security measure to ensure that your account is legitimate and to prevent spam. After verifying your email address, you can log in to your Namecheap account using your email address and password. The next step is to register a domain name or transfer an existing one to Namecheap. To register a new domain name, simply enter the name you want to register in the search bar and click on the search button. If the domain name is available, you can add it to your cart and proceed to checkout. If the domain name is not available, you can try searching for a different name or using a different extension. After registering your domain name, you will need to set up your DNS settings. Namecheap provides a range of DNS templates to make this process easier, including templates for popular website builders and email services. Simply select the template that matches your needs and follow the instructions to set up your DNS settings. Finally, you can set up your website or email services using your new domain name. Namecheap offers a range of services, including web hosting, email hosting, and SSL certificates. You can also use third-party services, such as website builders or email providers, by updating your DNS settings to point to their servers. Throughout the setup process, Namecheap provides detailed instructions and support to help you get started. If you encounter any issues or have questions, you can contact Namecheap support for assistance. By following these steps, you can quickly and easily set up Namecheap and start using your new domain name.